believe this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. Sorry. This is the website. Okay, my boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this. Here is the website. And I would add your photos in this gallery link. This, of course, and also your contact details on this link together with a map. Now, if you have any other information about the services that you're offering, we can also add it here. Here. And about link is the company profile. Now, if this website would be good for you, please do me a favor and hit the reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. I forgot to mention my name is Julie and I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing in Red Tier. Talk to you soon. Thank you.